Hi my friends, today we model this part. It is not simple, and the drawing is here. We start by creating this contour as a sketch and also this contour as a sketch without this protrusion. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw a line with a length of 127. This line. It is a construction line. Then we draw a horizontal to somewhere here. Then press the left button and go to the end. We draw a vertical, restart, another vertical, OK, mirror, these two about the construction line. Then extend this line and this line. Dimensions, this is 47. This is radius 600. Then we place this line coincident with this point. Other dimensions are 65 and coincident this line with this center point. We have a fully constrained sketch. This is the first sketch. We ignore it for a moment. Another sketch is based on this plane. New sketch. We project this construction line. Then we hide the first sketch. We use this line to draw a vertical of 37, then keeping pressed this point, we draw a perpendicular arc to right here. Then we go back to the end of that line. This arc is 700. Fully constrained sketch. I forgot to modify this. Let me do. This is a normal line. Now we make visible the other sketch and we apply extrude of this area to the other direction of 37. Okay. We use the other sketch, symmetrical, but not join, not cut, intersect through all. Okay. Now we have a volume with a curved face and other two curved faces. Very interesting. A new sketch is for creating this cut, this internal cut. We see here some dimensions. This is radius 694. This is 6. And the distance between these two is also 6. You see the difference between these two. We select this plane again. Then F7 to see inside. We draw a line up, keep pressed the left button and create an arc to somewhere here. Okay, this is 6 and this is 6, 9, 4. We project this line, then we trim this end arc, and we draw a line starting from here, going here, and back up to be a close contour. Finish sketch, extrude, cut, symmetrical all the way through the part. Then we apply here a fillet of 10. Okay. Then we select this plane for a new sketch. We project this arc, this line, this arc. We create an arc in 3 points, tangent to the right line, with the coincidence on horizontal between this point and the center point. Then a radius of 100. We have two small closed areas and we use them to extrude with cut. This is one, this is the other. Direction to the right. Option cut. Distance through the part. Okay. This is the dimension of 100. Then we apply fillets on these 4 corners, radius 3, radius 3, and we apply a shell to obtain a new feature. Let's do this. This is of 3 millimeters, as well as this, this, and this. Okay. Then we apply the tool shell with the thickness of 2 millimeters, but eliminating 2 faces, this one and this one. Okay. You see here the result. Now we have to create this sloped face by creating a plane here. To do this, we'll use this dimension of 96, this dimension of 28 at a degree of 10, and we apply a line along this, but not here at the intersection, not here, but here. Using this line and the point, will have this plane. Let's do this. Let's do this. We select this plane for a new sketch. The sketch is a line with a length of 96 and a sloped one with a length of 28, tab 180 minus 10. Okay, this is the situation. We select this face for a new sketch, and we project only this point. We draw a vertical line, no matter what is the length, but important is to place this midpoint coincident with this point. Finish sketch. We create a plane based on this point, and this point. Then we hide these 2 sketches because we have the plane. We use this plane to create this contour. 30, 12 degrees, 18, radius 30, and after we'll place this radius 3 fillet. The depth is to this face, yes? Okay. We select this plane for a new sketch. We have to project something from here. We make it visible and we project this end point in the plane. We hide this, we don't need it, but we have here this point. We draw a line, a slope, restart, another line, sloped, okay, then an arc in 3 points, 1, 2, 3. We make coincident this mid center with this point, and we make equal these two sides. Dimensions, this is 18, this is 30, oh, we have to make symmetry here. We project the x-axis. Okay, then we make this construction to not forget, and we apply symmetry. This line about this axis. Now is okay. This angle is 12. And the other dimension is the radius 30. Now we have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude to this face, the other direction. You see here what happens. Now we hide this plane and we have another feature. Now we have to create this internal hole. Since the thickness is 2, we have to place a projection on this face at a distance of 2 millimeters from the external face, then to extrude. Let's do this. We create a new plane with the position at -2, then a new sketch, then we apply offset of 2 millimeters, finish sketch, extrude that contour with cut all the way through the part. Okay, you see the void volume. We hide this plane. There is a hole here. 9 is the distance and 10 is the diameter. We select this face, we place there a point, we make it collinear or aligned with a center point, project this line and apply distance of 9. Finish hole of 10. Through the part. Okay, you see that hole. Now we have to apply many fillets. You see this is radius 1, this is radius 2, also here, then 3 is outside because 1 is inside. The exception is this, radius 1, radius 2. Let's do this. This is 2 millimeters and no other, plus this is 3, as well as this this, and this, plus 1 millimeter is this. Plus also 3 millimeters is here and inside, but we don't have these fillets. They are 1 plus 1 is this, this. It is 1 because this is 3, this and this, plus 3 is this. I forgot a fillet. This is 1, only 1. Okay, that's all. Let's see what is the volume. Let's see what is the volume of this model. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is very near the other one, so we decide to keep the new value because this is what we did here. Good. Material is aluminum 6061, and the presentation is metal 1018 hot, this color. We go here, we place shaded, and we select default lights. You see, there is no difference between them. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.